Hey yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new reaction on my channel, and today we're going to be reacting to Killing Two Birds with 22 Stones by Suicide Boys. Now, I got requested this on my Snapchat. Thank you to this person right here. Thank you so much for requesting this. If y'all want to add me on Snapchat, my Snapchat and Instagram and TikTok and everything is also right there. So y'all can go add me, follow me. You can DM me a request. That's most likely how I'm going to get y'all's requests. But yeah, today we're gonna react to this. I'm not a big listener of Suicide Boys. I'm actually not at all. I don't think I've listened to one song. But you know, my ears are open to new things, and you know, without further ado, we're gonna get right into this. So get your headphones and let's go. And also, I lost a bracket. That's why it looks like that. I didn't specify that in the last reaction, the Tom McDonald reaction, so people will be like, yo, what's wrong with your teeth? Oh, anyways, let's just go.
Hey kids, let's go to church!
Oh my gosh, I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that. No, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry I did that.
Leave me be your just leave me deceased. Screaming I wanna be free and released. Screaming I wanna be free and defeat. Lacing my grades and I fucking retreat. I really could use some more of that sleep, but I'll sleep when I'm dead in a bed with the tags in my feet that lead. Let me wear my FTPs.
This guy's flow on this. It's just so much going on in this song.
Evidence right next to me. Chalked out line, the rest will see. He's dead, so let's just let him be. Release the fucking dogs and I'll show them what I want. Skip the movie to cherry hop around the same kind of birds. Release the fucking dogs and I'll show them what I want. Hold me close, nothing cry when you release the fucking dogs and I'll show them what I want. Skip the movie to cherry hop around.
I love that. It's like it just screams and then like chills and then screams. Dude, I love that. Oh my gosh, this is actually really fire.
Release the fucking dogs and I'll show them what I want. Hold me close, nothing cry when you die. Riding on the north side, yeah, the far side. Hit the 7 ward, make it frostbite. On the day I die, leave me be in the sunlight. Let the vultures feast on what's left of mine. Almost lost my mind, but let me come back down to earth. This the year of my rebirth. Pop right back out of a hearse right before I hit the dirt. Watch me pop what is left of me, then let the crows burst. Ain't no church in the wild, my church 6 feet in the dirt. Release the fucking dog. What I want. Skip the movie to cherry hop around the same kind of birds. Release the fucking dog. What I want. Hold me close, nothing cry when you release the fucking dogs and I'll show them what I want. Skip the movie to cherry hop around the same kind of birds. Release the fucking dogs and I'll show them what I want. Hold me close, nothing cry when you die.
Okay, so that was Killing Two Birds, 22 Stones by Suicide Boys. Oh my gosh, bro. I was not expecting that at all. I was expecting like a nice little slow song about, I don't know, maybe like suicide or something, because it's Suicide Boys. Oh my god. I might have to download that, dude. That I don't usually listen to this kind of music. It's usually rap only. But this, I'm not subscribed to their channel right now, dude. That was amazing. But anyways, guys, that's going to be the end of the reaction. If you guys did enjoy, please consider leaving a like, subscribing to this channel and my main channel in the description. And yeah, I'll see y'all on the next reaction. Bye-bye.